Okay, so here we have a GE top load washer. Now the problem I came across with was all of a sudden, after pressing the start button to a cycle, there was only a clicking noise coming from in there. I thought it was a control panel, decided to check it out. Removed 4 torque screws located on the top part. Pulled this forward towards me. And in here, this is the control panel. At which point I thought it needed to be replaced because there was the clicking could be felt from one of these relays. Being that they're welded on there, they don't come apart. I thought the whole, control panel needed replacing, but try to reset it, in which case I removed the washer's power inlet from the outlet for 30 seconds, connected it back, press the start button. Now, at that point there was no more clicking and no noise whatsoever. So I thought to myself about checking the lid switch here, right here. This is your lid switch. In my case, this was the bad part. I hope in your case it is too, because it is a fairly cheap replacement part to replace. In order to check it out, to test it out, you'll need a small piece of wire, thin piece of metal, wire pliers, a hammer, and get yourself 2 of these thin flathead screwdrivers. And I'll show you why you're going to need 2 of these and why they got to be this thin. In order to gain access to the lid switch, you have to remove this front part here. There are 2 clips you're going to come across located on each side. You insert a thin piece of metal in there. You're going to pry up and pull out. When this front part is on there, you're going to have a hard time pushing the thin piece of metal in with your hand, so make sure you use a hammer. After that, you're going to gain access to the connector for the lid switch. There are 2 plastic clips there holding it together. At which point you're going to get your thin flathead screwdriver and insert it this way. You're going to twist and pry up. Now, after unlocking the first pin, you twist your wires around. Do the same thing. Come in this way, twist, and it'll pry off. It's a bit hard, but be patient. You'll get used to it. Get used to it. You'll get it done. Don't worry, just be patient. After that, you're going to check the 2 wires coming from this whole bunch of wires, okay? That's what we're going to be working on. As you can see, there's 2 holes in there, which is where your small piece of wire comes in. You're going to remove the tip only, small piece with your wire pliers, and insert it one end of the wire into each hole right here. Once done, it should look like that. This is the connector for the lid switch. Should be loose. It's the one going up to the lid switch. Remember, you're gonna work on the wires coming from this bunch of wires. Once you got your setup like that, you're gonna try and see if it works. Put it on to spin, press start. As you can see, it's working. Okay, so after doing that, if you got it up and running, you're lucky, just like me. If not, make sure you look into your motor. That's another video. Now, to remove the lid switch here, you're going to use your flathead screwdriver, come in from under, find your lid switch, push towards you, And with your second screwdriver, you're going to come in from this side and pry up. With that, your switch is off. You're just going to pull off and get it out of there. To put it back on, you're just going to set it here and then snap it down into place. After that, you're going to connect the wires down under and you'll be good to go. That's how you'll be replacing your switch. Now please use this as a temporary method while you get a replacement part, not as a permanent fix. Once again, that's how you diagnose and replace the lid switch on a GE top load washer. Thank you for watching. I hope this has fixed your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe.